So, to upload a form or document to the Troop website, first of all, you're going to need the permission to edit these forms and documents. And once you've got that, you're just going to go up to the menu. Also, the Troop website might look a little different in the future, but this menu will most likely always stay the same. Then you're going to go to Resources, and then you're going to go to Maintain Forms and Documents. Here, you're going to have a form or document, for example, some kind of PDF or something you downloaded, and then you're going to click Add a New Item, and then you're going to choose a category. Now, I'll show you later how to create a category for your form or document. So, the one that I'm going to put in adults/leaders. Actually, I'm going to make the form or document category right now. Don't worry about that. I'm going to add a new item, and I'm going to do category is going to be SPL/leader resources and tutorials. So you can make this title anything you want, and I'm going to put this in the adult/leaders parent category. Yep, that's the best fit. Oh, adult/leaders. It also can be its own category without a parent. So now I'm going to click Save and Exit, and now when I go to Resources, Forms and Documents, it's not going to be here yet because there's nothing in it. See, it's not under there. But if I go to like fundraising, if I have a subcategory, it'll look something like that. Now I'm going to go back to Resources, Maintain Forms and Documents. I'm going to click Add a New Item. Here, I'm going to choose where it's going to go. I want this to go in SPL/leader resources and tutorials. So we'll put this in Troop. Leaders means it's only the adult leaders though, so we want to make sure it's visible to the Troop, or if it's something that the public needs, you're going to click Public. For ours, we need a Troop. So now I'm going to do File Upload, and I'm going to get the file from my actual computer, which I have downloaded. I'm going to put it there. Document title, I'm going to put email template, because that's what I'm uploading to the website right now. Description, the source code to use for when drafting an email as SPL or another leadership position. You can also not put a description, that doesn't really matter. And now you're going to do the exact same thing if you had a URL link, except you're going to put a URL here instead, so like something like that. I'm just going to put File Upload and the email HTML, and I'm going to click Save and Exit, or Save and Add Another if you're uploading multiple at a time. So that is how you use the forms and documents. And now let's see in here, we can see that it actually came up. And now if I go to email template, it's going to show me the document right here, and it's always going to have a TroopWebHost.blob.cors unless you did a URL. And for example, a URL would be like the link to the Discord server, where it would bring us like to a different area. So yeah, there's also a lot of other resources here that are going to need some updating, such as meal plans, event waivers, Court of Honor stuff, and other things that we might need. Scout skills is one that we can always add more onto whenever we need to. Again, example of a link, this takes you to YouTube. So that's how you do that. Hopefully this helped.